This is our program schedule. Please go through this. All participants are requested. Please go through this. Welcome in the one-day national level webinar on Know Yourself. Personality development related workshop we are taking and organized by the Department of Geography and History. I welcome all the participants and dignitaries on this occasion. Nairi sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
All the participants are requested for the national anthem. Please stand up for a minute. Thank you. Now we have message from our President Sanjeevan Gramin Vaidyakiya Samajik Sahayata Pratishthan, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Onde, the President of our institution, VG Patil Sahib.
नमस्कार. कला वाणिज्य विज्ञान महाविद्यालय ओंदे तालुका विक्रमगड जिल्हा पालघर या महाविद्यालयातर्फे होणाऱ्या वेबिनारला माझ्या अध्यक्ष म्हणून हार्दिक शुभेच्छा आहेत. हे वेबिनार यशस्वी करण्यासाठी आपल्या सगळ्यांची सहकार्य असावं अशी अपेक्षा आहे. धन्यवाद.
Nairi sir.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Thank you very much, Honorable Patil Sahib. Now, good evening, everyone, and welcome to all in this national webinar on Know Yourself. It's a personality development. Myself, Assistant Professor Dinesh J. Nahire, Head, Department of Geography, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Onde, Vikramgarh District, Palghar. Dear participants, yesterday there is a demise of beloved mother of our principal, Dr. H.M. Pednekar sir. Yesterday she passed away by 8:30 p.m. Our sincere prayers to Almighty to release this noble soul to heaven in peace and give strength to all the family members to bear this irreparable loss and carry her legacy ahead to serve the society and nation. To get the peace to her soul, please observe the silence for 2 minutes. I request all the participants. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you. First of all, I am very much thankful to Honorable Vijay Patil Sahib, President of our Sanjeevan Gramin Vaidyakiya and Samajik Sahayata Pratishthan, as well as the Chairman of our college, and Principal Dr. H.M. Pednekar sir for organizing this national webinar on Know Yourself. It's a personality development. So I request to the Principal of our college, Dr. H.M. Pednekar sir, please introduce about today's national webinar, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. At the beginning, I welcome Professor Shailaja Hazare on behalf of our ACS College only. Actually, her topic is very interesting, Know Yourself. Friends, we live on the earth. And you know that the earth is a unique planet in this entire universe. So there are millions of life forms on the earth. But the most supreme life form on the earth is man. So one who has created us, maybe God, Allah, or Bhagwan. I mean, he has created or given us a supreme form of life. So our famous शायर, poet गुलजार जी कहते हैं, जिंदगी छोटी नहीं होती, लोग देरी से जीना शुरू करते. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. हमारी जिंदगी जो होती है, हम बोलते हैं छोटी है, छोटी नहीं है. हर एक को लंबी जिंदगी दी जाती है, लेकिन जिंदगी किस तरह जी जाए कि उसका मतलब जो है वो हमें तब समझ में आता है बहुत सारे लोगों को जब जिंदगी खत्म होती है. और इसके लिए इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ आवर लाइफ at the early stage of our career, especially at the student age. And that is why this topic is very important, because God has created each one of us differently. And if we can know our potential, definitely if we can identify ourselves, that will help to develop our personality and that will give us success in our life. So once again, I welcome our resource person, Professor Shailaja Hazare Madam, and I request you to take notes or listen to her presentation very carefully, because it is very important for all of us. We may get such wonderful points for the development of our person. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Today at 2 a.m. at night, sir did cremate to his mother, and for today's webinar, he present among us. Hats off to you, sir, and your devotion, dedication. Always you are inspiration for all of us. And today, you set the example, very big example for all of us. Someone says that sky is the limit, but our sir says that if you want to see the skill of my flying, just raise the sky little above. अगर देखना है मेरे उड़ने का हुनर, तो आसमान को और ऊंचा करो. Again, I am very much thankful to Madam Shaila Madam Hazare Madam, and now I am introduced to her. She did MA in Geography from SNDT Women's University, Mumbai. Passed National Eligibility Test. It is NET, conducted by the University Grant Commission UGC in the year 2010. She is pursuing PhD from University of Mumbai on the topic Impact of Forest Right Act 2006 on tribal community district Maharashtra, teaching experience to teach undergraduate as well as the postgraduate students. Now she is working at Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Karmavir Bhaurav Patil College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Washi. She has attended and presented many papers in the state level, national level and international level conferences and seminars. As a resource person, she has guided many of the students and teachers through the orientation programs as well as the workshops. Mainly, she has published papers on the topic Economic Impact of Tourism on the residents of the Elephanta Caves in Raigad district, the Hindu Succession Act, the role of the society in its implementation, as well as ways of the environmental awareness, urbanization and sustainable development. She has arranged workshops on the topics Save Environment, Save Life, Environment and Sustainable Development, Environmental Issues, Ways of the Environmental Awareness, Development of Ecotourism in Karnala Bird Sanctuary of Raigad district in Maharashtra, etc. Apart from geography, she also likes the environmental science subject too much, and she also teach the students this subject. There is a lot to say about the madam, but due to the time limit, I conclude here and request to the madam, please guide us about the Know Yourself personality development. And on behalf of all of us, again, I warmly welcome to you, madam. Thank you. Now proceed to you, madam. Over to you. Hazare madam, did you hear me?
Yeah. Can I start? Can I start?
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
First of all, welcome to all. And good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Sat Sri Akal and Vanakkam to all my listeners from the different part of our country. Respected Pednekar sir, I want to first pay my sincere tribute to mother because she is not a mother of him. We are very much family members, and yesterday we lost her, and I sincerely pay tribute to her, as well as I am sincerely praying tribute to all the people who lost their life in this pandemic. And with this, I'm thankful to all the Sanjeevani Gramin Vaidyakiya Samajik Sahitya Pratishthan, ASC College, Onde, Vikramgarh District, Palghar. And before starting this subject, I want to tell you something. We get this time of pandemic, 5 months near about we are here in house, and we listen a lot about this. Means we are listening continuously. But before that, I feel that where uh, we are listening so many things. But have we gone inner and known ourselves? And that is why I have selected this topic. Okay, can I share my PPT, sir? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Please share my PPT.
Ma'am, you can share now.
Okay. Okay, all of you can see this PPT?
Yes, ma'am, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
This is my subject, know yourself. Now, here, the first of all, have we asked some questions with ourselves that we never asked to ourselves? First question is, who am I? What is purpose of my life? Why I am here? Where I have to come and where I have to go? And how do I make my life and others' life very effectively or happily? How I can spend my life? We never think on all these things. If someone asks me who am I or what is purpose of my life, actually life means the distance between first breath to last breath, and in between whatever we are doing, that decide us what is the quality of my life, what is the how I when we look back, we must feel that yes, this is my life, I won my life. And here, while going through this topic, everyone is having this traveling this distance from first breath to last breath, and this traveling is our life. Now, while traveling this, we all must have following. We must have youth. Okay. Now, what is this youth? Then we say, if you ask someone, ask how old you are. We are saying that we are this much years old, this much, but we must have these qualities in our life. We must youth throughout the life. Now, youth is a young. Young means not is young with the with your figure or your body. You must young with your thoughts. How our thoughts must be. Our thoughts must be optimist in every situation of life. We must have see positive attitude, and that is very 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 important in today's time. Our thought must be universal. We used to say we are Indians, we all are Indians. I think so. Whatever we are, people are here, we all are Indian. And India is a country which is very different on the surface of this earth, or you can say in this universe. We are very very different because in our country seven all religions are there, and we are living here in as a one family, or as a one country, one family. So universal approach is there in our blood. We always used to say the Vishwa Bandhutvata, Vishwachi माझे घर. These are the quotations, our quotes are here, and we used to apply in our life. Then we must be have respect our time, how we are spending our time. That is very very important. And youth, as a quality of youth, when any work is given to you, and if you are able to say yes, whenever any work is there come in front of you, if you immediately say yes, then people in front of you will definitely understood, and he definitely will think positive about you. And you must be helpful, you must be hopeful. because this is a quality of life. जिंदगी में आशाएं जो है हमें जिंदा रखती है, and आशा के ऊपर miss hope, we must have hopeful in any situation. That is very very important in this situation, in this time, or in this particular period of time, because today's time you will get many people who distract you, who demotivate you, but we must have the hopeful throughout our life. Now, what are the challenges? As a youth, there are so many challenges. And that I call categorize in 5 ways that we call, you can call it as a 5 C's in our life. What are that 5 C's? First one, today in I'm not talking about just a student, not talking for just for the student, but I'm talking for the for talking about everyone. Concentration, confidence, career, care, and choice. These are the 5 things which we need to understand. Now, today's time, we cannot able to concentrate. If one simple example I want to tell you, if you call any student of the 12th standard, if you call him late night at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, he immediately pick up your call and he answer you. When we were in school or colleges, that time we never have such a kind of distractions available around us. And today's time, there are so many things that distract you. So first of all, we need to concentrate. Then the confidence. Now today's time, as I told you, that lack of confidence is there, and we need motivation. Now, where this motivation come from? Motivation will come from not only outside, it is inner side. And as we know, in NSS, we used to clap 3 times and we raise our hand and we pat ourselves. Means whatever work we have done, we have to motivate ourselves from ourselves. We no need to motivate other. We no need to wait for others to praise us by words, by any kind of gift or anything. Then next one is a career. Today's time it is very difficult. At our time or 3-4 decades back, it was time was a different. But today it is very very difficult, because as we say, this is rat race is there, everything is there, and we are very difficult to choose our career. But my dear friends, my dear colleagues, my dear you are listening to me, just keep in mind, career means not only the how much money you earn, what positions you are having, or what the career means. I feel that how many people are happy to see you, to know you, to meet you. Or when I turn my back, how many people feel that yes, I want to meet this person again. That I feel the success in career wise. Anyone, now there are so many ways are there available for everyone, where the career choices are there. Then the care, this is very very important. Everybody, we are a human being, and we are having the need of that. Everybody feel that someone care me, someone love me, someone. And whatever we are giving to the others, this is nature's law. Whatever we are giving to others, or whatever from my side, whatever we are giving, it will return it back to me. And that care, we should take care of everyone. Now today's vocabulary of the students, or if you see we know well that when student says who cares, why to care, आज के दिन जिंदगी जी ले, कल किसने देखा, this kind of the things are there in mind of our today's youth. Especially I'm talking about today's youth, or even if in family we have seen the so many nuclear family system is there, and today's time you can say there is an island created in every house due to the technology revolution. And choice, now here the choice is there where to go, at means where we have to go, whatever we are having, their choice is there from where to take my life, positive to negative or negative to positive. Everything is within our hand. Now next one, from here you have to make a 3 list of your and in that first list you have to write what we have, second list you have to write what we don't have, and third one what we want to achieve. Now here the what we have, now if you ask anyone आपके पास क्या है, तो बोलते कुछ नहीं है, हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. So why you say like this, why कुछ भी नहीं है? God has given such a wonderful body. God has given us with a very well placed, organized body. We can see with our eyes, we can see our hands, we can see. If you go through the medical reports of WHO, so many people in the world never wake up in the next morning. And as we are wake up next morning, means every day you have to thankful for everything. What we have very well organized body, well organized breath, and everything. When you are going to shift your what we have from the materialism to this the natural gift whatever given by God, then you will understand that really life is very very beautiful. Then make a list of what we don't have. Now here the I don't have here the list again. I want to change your list. I don't want to I don't have anger, I don't want this anger, I don't want hatred, I don't want this we don't want. We should give this in don't want. And whatever we don't have, we write it. I don't have to be a bedroom flat, I don't have the well organized car, well organized institution, well organized place, position, all this may be there. And third one, you have to make a list of what we want to achieve, means where I want to go, means you have to think how much I can travel after 5 years, 10 years, that we have to find out. Now here, if your first list is bigger than the second list, means what we have, if it is bigger than the second list, what we don't have, you are a complete, you are satisfied person. Satisfied person. If your second list is bigger than first person, then your person is a, you are complaining person. Complain, you must be complete. Instead of complaining, you must find out that how I can complete myself. Now what we want to achieve. Now next one is we will going to shift what is this mean by the achieve. Achieve means the goals, whatever the goals are there. That is now what is goal? As per the definition or the Wikipedia definition, a goal is an idea of the future or the desired result that a person or a group of the people envision and a place or the community to achieve, or the people endeavor to reach goals within finite time by the setting deadlines. Now here we are going to talking about goals. Now what is goals? The in short we can say we travel to achieve our success, that we can call it as a goal. Now here the three types of the goals are here. First one, daily goals. Second one, the short term goal. And third one, long term goal. Now here everyone should follow. This lecture is not just for the student or not just for the particular group of the, everyone should follow. And daily goal, everyone, miss, suppose her mother is there or the housewife is there, housewife, I can say housewife, homemaker, and homemaker is there, and she has to decide this thing, that what I have to cook for my kids, for the family members, I want to meet them, I have to take them doctors, all these are the short daily goals. And daily goals is changing from the person to person. Second one is a short term goal. Short term goal may be the 4 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. And here you can think for the what you can do for the support to your career. Third one is a long term goal. Long term goal is a goal you can think that how I can take my life after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. This is your long term goals. Now here the next one is a, first we have to set our goals and ready to set our goals. And we have to decide the rules to how we can achieve these goals. And for this, first one, setting our goal, that whatever the goals we have decided, that must motivate you. Now here that must motivate you means whatever we have decided, that must we must feel, yes, I have to do this, I have to do this. That is motivation. Now from where, again I said, the where this motivation come from. Now this motivation come from within ourselves, because today's time you will not get, you have everyone where you will see the darkness, because people are demotivated due to this pandemic situation. And due to this, you have to enlight your inner light, inner lamp of your light, and you have to motivate yourself at that goal. In that way you have to decide your goal. The second, next one is our goal must be smart. Now, what is this smart define? The goal, our goal must be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, relevant, and timely. Now here, everyone must understand what are the capacities we are having. Everyone, now here, I want to give you one thought that as an environmentalist or while teaching environment, one thing is sure that who has the creation of ours, maybe Allah, God, the Paramatma, anything, anyone, that Supreme created us, and that Supreme has given one specific quality to each and everyone, one quality which is not given to others. We are very much special. We have created by that Supreme, and he has given something special to each and everyone. And to achieve this goal, and we have to find out ourselves what where I am special in, or what qualities are there within me. And whatever the goals you have decided, that goal must have give you time limit to that goal. That goal must be realistic. We suppose I know the I know the this Urdu language. Then how, if I think that I must have good in Japanese language, that will not possible. Or if I don't have capacity to speak well, then how I can become a motivational speaker and all that. So we have to find out our capacities, our strength, and in that way we have to go through this. And that goal must be specific. And that, as I told you, that goal is different from the different people, different. Now one example, the mother whose child is born with handicap, and someone suggested her that yes, your child will be walk on their own feet within some days. Then that, for that lady, what will be the goal? That she will think just for the think that when my child will walk, when my child will run, this is her goal. And do we think her goal is wrong? Do you think that her goal is wrong? That her goal is right, because that is her dream, that her child should walk on her or his feet. Now next one is here. When you are set your goals, some you have to give the specific ideas, and that ideas will come from the writing. Now every day you have to write, or you have to collect the information, and you have to set your goal in writing, and make a planning of that, and stick that planning in some wall. Suppose I have decided my goal, this is my sitting room, I have to stick my goal behind me, so that it will remind me, yes, I have to do this, I have to do this. Means every day that goal must motivate you, that goal must specific, that goal must be in writing and in my vision, and that goal must be in the vision every day. So that means when we plant any plant, when we plant any small bushes or trees, we every day we have to look at the plant, we have to water that plant, we have to give something fertilizer or something is there. Like that we have to take care of our goal, and we have to nourish our goal, we have to feed our goal with our efforts. Now here, these are the steps to reach our goals. Set your goals, make your planning, get to work, stick it to it, reach to the goal. These are the steps to reach the goal. Now here, up till here we are correct. We decide everything. Means this we have seen. We make a resolution. Very first January, everyone I have seen. Even I have made that. But what happened after 3-4 days, 5-7 days, or 1 month? We forget all that. Now where we go wrong, where we lack in. Now, as I told you, if we plant a seed, sow a seed, to get the fruit, we have to wait, right? We have to wait, we have to save that plant from the outside external anything evil things and all that. Like that we are wrong in many places. Now here, when we have set the goals, that, as I told you, that goal must be realistic, not in imaginary. We used to think, and first of all, we have to think the what is the real situation outside, and accordingly we have to create first of all patience today's time, the patience is not within us or within it may be the environmental factor, it may be whatever the vibrations are going around it, and due to that the patience is not seen in many places. हम हमेशा बोलते कि मेरी सटक गई, उसका बात सुन के मेरी सटक गई, यार मुझे बोलना नहीं था बट मैंने मुझसे निकल गया. Why this happened? Because we have not worked on our patience. We have to work on our patience because success is not easy in today's time. There are very few people, this is my experience in my life, there are very few people who are really successful in their life. I hats off to them, but these numbers is very very less. And to motivate you yourself, you have to read the books which is written by the people, successful people. And some of them I would like to definitely suggest that you read the Mahatma Gandhi's book, My Experience, Truth, Experience of Life. Then second one, Abdul Kalam's Wings of Fire. You read Baba Sahib Ambedkar, you read Jyotirao Phule, you read Swami Vivekanand, and along with you read with your whatever religion you are belonging from, you read your religious book. You have to follow your religious books. I read almost all, means I know the almost all religious principles. And when I go through it, I found that the each and every religion, no religion teaches us the every religion teaches universal brotherhoodness. आप गाना भी देखो कि आप देखोगे अल्लाह के बंदे, भगवान के बच्चे हैं हम, ईश्वर की संतान है हम. हर एक बंदा एक ऊपर की ओर इशारा करता है और वो ऊपर का वाला है, वो परमात्मा है, गॉड अल्लाह सबको एक ही है एंड हम उसके बच्चे हैं. तो एक के ऊपर विश्वास रख के जब हम चलेंगे तब हमारे सारे के सारे काम हमारे अच्छे से हो जाएंगे. एंड उसके लिए वी नीड पेशेंस इन अवर लाइफ because today's time is a time where especially I'm talking about this pandemic, and we are sitting at home and we can't see the tomorrow's what happened tomorrow. Before that we either live in past or either live in future. हम कल की चिंता, कल क्या हो उसके सोचते हैं और कल क्या होगा. और सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग क्या कहेंगे, हम पूरी जिंदगी वो लोग क्या कहेंगे इसके बीच में बिताते जाते हैं. बट ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि मुझे क्या करना है, मेरी कैपेसिटी क्या है और मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू द स्टोरी ऑफ दैट डोंकी जो आपने भी बचपन में पढ़े होंगे. एंड वॉट एवर द स्टोरीज वी हैव लर्न, this is my observation, whatever the stories we are learning at junior, senior KG, that time we teach, even if you may taught your kids also, and at the end of that story moral is there, and that child also learn that story and explain, and but we never gone through that moral. If you gone through that moral, you will understand that the basic principles of life we learn at that 3 4 5 year age only. And when I was teaching, I have this is my experience. I taught to 3 years kids. I am having the people in my list from the 0 to and miss 9900. I'm with them, and I found that whatever they within this traveling of the life will learn all this at that age, but we never remember throughout the life. And if we remember that, then definitely we will understood the basic theme, basic essence of the life. Life is very beautiful, and we as a human being, we must love each other, because love is our original demand of the soul. And love means that love must be selfless. We always waste our time that what he said, and we waste our valuable time in criticism. Rather to criticize, find out the good qualities among the people. Now, which people? First of all, you have to find out the good qualities where you are in. Now, all we are in our house. Find out that just look back and 3 4 5 months we are in our house. Is how are my relations within that last month's period of time? Is I am good with all? Still today, if I'm looking back, do I feel my house is a very peaceful place for myself, or how many people feel that yes, I have to go to outside my house? If you find out the answers of this, then you will definitely see. Now you have to find out the qualities of the people. Try to create the finding the 5 qualities, at least 5 qualities of the people around them. Then you will find everyone's having the qualities, small qualities. If you are having the 4 people in your house, find out their qualities. My daughter, my son, my siblings, or my elder people in my family, what are their good? And you just if you see this in this way, then definitely you will find the world is fine. World is fine, world people are fine. And as you create these things, it means that what your thought create destiny. Our thought create destiny. What we are seeing means, जैसे चश्मा हम लगाएंगे वैसे हमको दुनिया दिखेगी. अगर मेरा चश्मा अगर क्लीन है तो मुझे दुनिया क्लीन दिखेगी. अगर मेरा चश्मा के ऊपर ग्रीन है तो मुझे ग्रीनरी दिखेगी. कौन सा चश्मा मुझे लगाना है? अच्छाई का चश्मा लगाना है. गुणग्राही बनो, गुण चोर बनो. हम क्या करते हैं कि हम हमेशा we are criticizing so many people. So this is the golden rule of life: always forgive your enemies. दोस्त को, शत्रु को हमें मित्र बनाना आना चाहिए. ये जिस दिन हमें करना सीखेगा तो ये पूरी दुनिया हमारी होगी. और जैसे बोलते कि वर्ल्ड इज अवर होम, विश्व बंधुत्वता. एंड today's time, this internet or this world, we through this we come together. And nothing annoy to them so much. Always forgive and forget. Always clean your mind at the while going to sleep. You have to clean your this mind. Your blackboard must be clean at the night. And forgive the people, those who are those we are having some clashes every day. And make your calm and make your tomorrow's list, that one day short every daily goal at the night. And give the thanks to that almighty supreme, and for giving us such a beautiful life. Life is really beautiful. We have to find out the essence of the life. Now, thank you very much. With this new note, I'm giving the thanks to all the people who are listening to me very patiently. Thank you so much.
Nairi sir. Nairi sir, please unmute yourself.
Okay. Thank you so much, Madam Hazare, Madam. I said, Madam, that okay, you have only 40 minutes, Madam, and within that 40 minutes, you have to be conclude all your presentation. And exactly, Madam has spent 40 minutes to complete her presentation.
Sir, as so we say, na, time is money, right?
yeah.
We cannot take the time is money, and I cannot have right to take the time of these such a people, such a beautiful gatherings over here.
You are right, Madam. You are right. Now there is a question answer session. So if any participant would be like to ask questions, then please ask the questions to Madam.
They can unmute themselves and then ask question.
Yeah.
Sir, please take from chat box also.
Yeah.
Nairi sir.
Yes, sir.
Please look into chat box.
Yeah. Divya Pandey, Madam is there, and she's asking that how to increase concentration, Madam. Concentration बढ़ाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
I want to ask him, पढ़ाने के लिए या काम करने के लिए? Miss, the concentration, as I told you, that today's time there are so many things are here, and we cannot concentrate. Now, to increase our concentrate, we must have the focus. We have to focus our goal, that if I want to complete this task, we must give our 100% attention to that. And as we give 100% attention to that, then definitely we can focus on our work. And as we give the 100% our good to that work, then definitely our work can complete within time. And again, quality of our work will definitely excellent only. We do not have to think again and again and to spend more time. If you focus, suppose you are a student and you want to study first within one time you cannot understand. And one thing I want to explain, which is we learn from the Pednekar sir, as I told you that our student, I used to say, पहले लेक्चर में आते नहीं, लास्ट में बैठते नहीं, बीच में टीचर अच्छी नहीं लगती, कभी सर अच्छे नहीं लगते, कभी कंसेप्ट अच्छी नहीं लगती, कभी सब्जेक्ट अच्छा नहीं लगता. एंड सर यूज्ड टू टेल अस दैट, हमारा जो पुराना एक गाना था कि अगर आप यूं ही हमसे मिलते रहे, देखिए एक दिन प्यार हो जाएगा. Means if you are going to interact your subject so many times, then definitely you will understood that. And as we are going to understand everything slowly, we like that. Okay, means what we do, whatever the subjects are we are studying, first we don't like it. That's true. Means we are human being. Not it is not going every time needful that we understand everything. But as we are going to practice and give this mind positive thought to your mind, if he can do, she can do, then why I can't? I can also do it very well. I think she may be satisfied with my answer.
Yeah, madam. Yeah. One another question is that, madam, in this pandemic situation, madam, situation is very panic situation is there. What is your suggestion to the students?
Okay, this is very good question. Because we are also student, we are a teacher.
They are thinking that when our college will start, when we will see the teachers, our teachers, and all that. What you want to suggest, ma'am?
That I like it. This question I like it the most. Because now today's day, what happened? This is my experience since we are from Mumbai and our college start at 7:15 or 7:30. Means we at least I reach to the college in the class 7:50 a.m. in the morning or 7:30. And that time before 10 years back, the college was full of with the student. I think Pednekar sir must be agree with my this thing. And that time we feel that yes, पंछी आए हैं और हमें जाके सिर्फ उनसे बातें करनी है. And slowly this scene has changed, and now we have to rush to the class just for to complete our duty, or just now cameras here everywhere, and just to satisfy the cameras or just to satisfy ourselves first. We reach to the class, and what we find, we open that the door, and we used to sit. This is my experience last 2 years. I used to reach the class and I used to wait at least 20 to 25 minutes. And after that, first boy come and our first girl come who is really regular. And as immediately they enter, they ask first question, Miss, koi nahi aaya? That time I told them, कोई नहीं क्यों आया, मैं आए हूँ, आप आए हो, और मुझे वो 120 लड़कियों के लिए नहीं काम कर बताना है, जो पहला आएगा जिसको पढ़ना है उसके लिए मेरे क्लास ओपन है. And I used to say, nature's rule is there. What you are going not like it and what you are going to give up, that take it back from the nature. आजकल हमारे बच्चों ने students, especially I found that they are more in other places than in the class. So I feel this is a nature also feel, or the environment of our, they maybe feel that students don't like us. Let's take break. Let's teach to this this lesson, so that they will understood the importance of the teacher, importance of the all our class or all our college environment. And definitely the online lecture teaching is going on. And what we have to do in this pandemic situation. If you ask me how this time was for me, I can say this is a beautiful time I spent in my life. I learned so many skills. I learned international level soft skill courses. I learned so many courses regarding to this. Definitely, we don't have that. We do not have. So no one will pat us. But we are our motivator, and you can learn so many things. Now today's time, there are so many things are available to study. Everything is available on the net. If the student is admitted, taken admission for BA, MA, or whatever the class he has, syllabus is available of all the university on the net. You can study with the YouTube videos. You can study with everything. You can learn the skill. You can learn the language. Anything. There is a no limit to learn and no limit to do. You can learn the skills. You can learn anything. You can learn cooking. Learn cooking. This is my suggestion to the college, miss to all these people.
Thank you so much, madam. One another question is there from Srinivas Rao. He asks that how can we avoid jealousy from us?
This is a very nice. Everyone feel jealousy. मुझे मिला उसको मिला मुझे नहीं मिला. आज अगर हम देखेंगे we see if we have to happy with our success and not anyone's success, because as I told you, whatever we are giving we are taking back. If you are giving jealous, we will getting back. This is the rule of life. अपनी किस्मत में जो है हमको मिलता ही है, भले देरी से मिले पर मिलता है. अभी यहाँ पे हम we have to analyze destiny is greater or our efforts are greater. I used to say that you have to keep going on efforts. No doubt, you have to see your only path. You have to walk on your path only. Do not jealous with anyone. बिकॉज जो मुझे मिलना है वो मेरे लिए अच्छा होता है और इसीलिए ऊपर वाले ने मुझे उस दिन उस समय उस टाइम वो दिया हुआ होता है. यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट ऑन दैट ऑलमाइटी सुप्रीम एंड वॉट एवर ही हैज गिवन दैट इज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ आवर डीड्स ओनली. And jealousy, to avoid the jealousy, you start praising to those people who are you feel jealous. अगर मुझे मेरे कलीग्स है उसको बहुत कुछ अच्छा मिला तो मैंने उसको प्रेस करना है, मैंने उसको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बोलना है, so that I will get her cooperation, coordination, and she also feel yes I have to coordinate her, I have to cooperate her, and in this way we have to avoid the jealousy from our life.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Again, one of the question is there from Chandana Sarkar. She asks that for achieving goals, how we can use our skills. अगर हमारा गोल अचीव करना है तो हमारे कौशल्य का कैसे विकास
yeah I can understand. See, there are two types of the skill, hard skill and soft skills. Okay, and to achieve the any kind of you are in any situation, not situation, if you are in any role or in any career phase, that time find out today's time we have to update ourselves. Okay, and update ourselves, you have to, there are so many things are available on the net, on the paper, magazine. You don't have to go anywhere, everything is available. And this is my experience. अगर एक ढूंढोगे तो 100 मिलेगा, 100 ढूंढने जाओगे तो 1000 मिलेगा. While I'm going for the collection of the data, I found that the people are really helping to you. Only your way or your approach must be there, humanistic approach must be there, that you have to understand the person in front of you, that is a human being, and give them respect. First of all, from my side, I have to give them respect. And if I respect them, then definitely I will get it back. Definitely it will take time. Sometimes it will take time. In some situation it will take time. But you will get definitely better result in, and find out your what, as I told you, that what I have, that one point we have to find out. And once you find out, then you definitely can acquire the you will start your ways. And जब तक पहले अगर मुझे ऊपर जाना है, if I have reached to the peak, then first of all I have to step in first, then I have to step in second, so that my journey will start.
Nagiri sir.
Yeah. Yes,
Kavita
madam.
Modi want to ask question.
Yeah.
Kavita Modi.
Sir, I have a question from YouTube.
Okay, sir. Okay, ask the question now. Ask.
Yes.
Kavita
Aprupa
Modi.
Guha. Yes.
Bansodi sir, please hold on.
Yes.
Kavita
Yes,
Modi.
yes.
Kavita Modi ma'am. Please unmute yourself. Kavita Modi ma'am. Kapil Kumar sir, please have a question.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I speak in Hindi?
Yeah, sure.
हिंदी में बात कर सकते sir.
No problem.
Yes,
You can
sir.
speak.
I have actually two questions. Sir, first question is that मतलब कि हम जो पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट है, इसके थ्रू जो हमारे भारत में शोषण जैसी समस्याएं हैं, अपने स्तर पर और अगर हम प्रभावी होते हैं तो उस स्तर पर हम कैसे इसको समाप्त कर सकें, पहला क्वेश्चन तो ये है. और दूसरा क्वेश्चन मैम ने बोला है कि शत्रु से हमें मित्रता जैसा व्यवहार करना चाहिए. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या हम रावण को राम की तरह पूजने लग जाएं, फिर
रावण को
राम की तरह पूजने लग जाएं?
नहीं सर, पहली बात, रावण और राम ये क्या है, ये चीजें आपको समझनी पड़ेगी. नॉट चीजें, रावण और राम, ये कोई एक व्यक्ति या ये नहीं है। राम यानी राम की क्वालिटी यानी देवत्व, मीन्स वी हैव टू डिवाइन क्वालिटी अवर सेल्फ. When we are having divine quality, that divine quality is a love, peace, then knowledge, then power. These are the some qualities of Ram. राम की जो क्वालिटीज है ये है, पेशेंस है उसमें, पूजनीय था राम. क्यों पूजनीय थे राम हमारे? क्योंकि उनमें ये क्वालिटीज थी. उन्होंने कभी भी, आप अगर उनकी भाषा देखो या कुछ भी देखो, उन्होंने रावण के ऊपर, और रावण भी कुछ कम नहीं था. रावण के अगर आप क्वालिटीज देखो तो रावण भी एक बहुत अच्छा योद्धा था, एक बहुत अच्छा, उसने सोने की लंका बनाई थी. बट एक जो रावण यानी जो हमारे विकार है, 5 विकार जो है हमारे पास, काम क्रोध मद मोह मत्सर अहंकार ईर्ष्या द्वेष नफरत जेलसी आलस्य अलबेलापन, ये जो हमारे जो विकार है, ये विकार, ये है रावण और ये है राम. अब मुझे राम से रावण की तरफ जाना है या रावण से राम की तरफ. सपोज आपसे किसी ने भी बुरा व्यवहार किया, यानी उसने आपको एक गलत कुछ दे दिया, कचरा दे दिया. जो बुरे थॉट है वो कचरे की तरह रहते हैं, देयर वेस्ट इन अवर लाइफ. अगर उसने दिया, पर मेरे पास चॉइस है ना, आई हैव चॉइस दैट मैं वो कचरा, अगर आपके कोई कचरा देता है, घर दरवाजा बजा के कचरा देता है, तो आप कचरा लोगे क्या? नहीं लोगे ना. तो ऐसे ही बुरा विचार जो होता है वो इस कचरे की तरह होता है. और हमारा जो माइंड है वो कैसे होना चाहिए? सोने के बर्तन की तरह होना चाहिए, साफ सुथरा. उसमें ही बहुत अच्छे विचार रहेंगे. और वो विचार अगर रखना है तो हमारा जो बर्तन है वो बहुत अच्छा रखना होगा, सोने के बर्तन की तरह. और उसमें जो आप विचार लाएंगे, वही विचार, जैसे आचार वैसे विचार, जैसे विचार वैसे वृत्ति वैसे वायुमंडल, वो बनता चला जाता है. और ये हमारे ऊपर होता है. डेफिनेटली इट विल टेक टाइम. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से दिस इज द रावण एंड राम, दीज आर द qualities or thought of our mind. We have to think that I have to put in my this software. If I want to keep these good things in my software, then definitely you will get the best result. And if you will keep these evil things, then definitely you will take these evil things.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Bansodi sir, please have questions from YouTube chat box. Unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, sir. Only one question is there, ma'am. It is from Aprupa Guha, ma'am.
Okay.
Generally, people demotivated child for their look or any other reason. How people forget their childhood's painful memories?
हाँ, दिस इज हियर इसमें एक छोटी सी मैं स्टोरी बताना चाहती हूँ. देयर इज अ कंपटीशन वाज देयर एंड हु चाइल्ड इज मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल, and they are giving to the prize to that child, and one child came crying that mom, I don't get child because I'm not beautiful as them. That time mother told that child that you do not we do not need, I do not need any prize from my from outside. मेरा बच्चा लाखों में एक है. अगर आपको अगर देखना है अपने बच्चे के लिए, तो एक बात सोचो कि मेरा बच्चा लाखों में एक है. दूसरी बात कि आप अपने बच्चों के लिए एक, हम हमेशा पूछते हैं, मांगते हैं कि वी आस्क ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम अदर्स. हम इवन इफ इन एवरी लैंग्वेज एवरी रिलीजन वी आस्क ब्लेसिंग्स. हम बोलते हैं दुआ करो, मेरे बच्चे के लिए दुआ करो, दुआ दो. हम किसके कहीं कहीं लेके जाते हैं, दरगाहों पे लेके जाते हैं, मंदिरों में, मस्जिदों में, गिरजाघरों में लेके जाते हैं, और वहाँ पे हम दुआ मांगते हैं. सबसे पहले हमारी दुआ निकलनी चाहिए कि माँ की दुआ निकलनी चाहिए. देखो आपने अगर शिवाजी महाराज को देखा होगा तो वो अपने बच्चों को कैसे राजे करके बुलाती थी. Respect, you have to give, first we have to give respect to our child, and you have to, everybody has to think my child is really precious for me, and if you are giving respect to him, then you don't want to think for penning from others. I hope you may satisfied with my answer.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Nairi sir, unmute yourself. And have questions from
just last. The last, I think a lot of questions are there now, but I think we should take the last question. That question is from Priyanka Jha, madam. She asks that how to motivate ourselves to be confident. अपने आप को Yeah.
I can understand. See, at very first I told you the example of NSS. In NSS, we clap 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And after that, we raise our hand and we plat ourselves. For every kind of work, as I told you, the motivations, we need most external motivation. Someone praise us, someone like us, someone, we feel, we as an individual, a human being feel that we need that. But if that kind of motivation is not with us, then we have to think that I am the creation of God. I am the very supreme creation of God, and that God give me a something work to do. Why I am here? I am here to do something, and that done means God, खुदा अल्लाह बंदा अल्लाह गॉड कोई अपना काम खुद नहीं कर सकता. वो उसको काम करने के लिए हमारी जरूरत होती है, और उसके लिए उसने हमें प्लेस किया है, अपॉइंट किया है. एंड ये मेरा काम है तो मुझे करना है. कोई देखे या नहीं देखे, वो हमेशा हम बोलते हैं ऊपर वाला देख लेगा. व्हाट इज दैट ऊपर वाला? And every time we says that, then we have to motivate ourselves. See, when you are going to the mall, we are very much cautious that yes, someone is watching. But उसका जो कैमरा है वो 24 घंटे 12 महीने 7 प्रहर चलता रहता है. And we want that certificate from that and think that he is looking. पूरी दुनिया सोई है पर वो एक ऊपर वाला है, वो मुझे देख रहा है, और इसीलिए उसके लिए मुझे अच्छा काम करना ही है, कोई देखे या नहीं देखे. In this way you can motivate yourself, and you have to keep this, that his camera is always open for us and he is watching my all deeds. अच्छे कर्म करोगे तो अच्छा फल मिलेगा. Definitely you have to wait. As I told you, patience must be there in our life.
Thank you so much, madam. Madam is working at the Vashi College, Rage Section Ustaz, Karmabir Bhaurav Patil College, and madam's Mr. Dr. Prakash Hazare sir. Both the couple is very, their nature is very, very good. They are supportive. They are friendly in nature. Whenever I got any problem at that time, without any decision, I ask the problem to madam and as well as the sir, and they always guide to me. Thank you, madam. Now,
Nair sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
We are going to the live session. Live feedback session.
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem.
Sir, one more thing I want to request. Those participants who want to ask, they can mail me their questions. I will definitely reply them.
Okay.
Or my contact number is there. They can contact.
Okay. Yes, Mahale sir, over to you. Mahale sir.
Okay, sir. I request participant, any two participant, please give their live feedback. I think Zakir Hussain sir is there. Zakir Hussain sir.
सर क्या मैं फीडबैक दे सकता हूँ?
Yes sir, yes sir.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल सर.
Yes sir. Okay. Good evening everybody.
Hello Kapil sir.
Hello.
जाकिर हुसैन सर आप सेकंड नंबर को दीजिए. कपिल सर
जी सर. तो सबसे पहले सभी को नमस्कार और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और बधाई. आज का सेशन है इसका मेंशन बहुत अच्छा रहा, और जो मैम का वक्तव्य था, जो ये लेक्चर था, ये बहुत अच्छा था, और जो क्वेश्चंस पार्टिसिपेंट ने पूछे उनका जो सेटिस्फैक्टरी आंसर है वो हम सबको मिला, और मुझे भी सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस सेशन के लिए. सर हम नेक्स्ट के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं.
Zakir Hussain sir, please
give your good evening everybody. Good evening everybody.
Hello? Yes sir, good evening.
क्या मैं ऑडिबल हूँ सर?
Yes sir.
Yes sir, बिल्कुल.
जी मैडम, आपका सेशन बहुत अच्छा था मैडम. मैं खुद पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट टीचर हूँ. मैं ऐसे सेशन ज्यादा अटेंड करता हूँ. मुझे एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगी आपकी, दैट the way you deliver the lecture, the innocence what you had, it shows that you are a very good personality.
Thank you.
that itself shows that you are a very kind-hearted person. And two things I like more about you. That one, you talked about going first to the class. Yes, I'm definitely sure that today we are missing this in the youth. Because as a teacher, we have to go to the class first, then later the students are going to come. ये बहुत अजीब देखने को मिल रहा है. और एक बात आपने कही कि you have ultimate knowledge. मैं यही बताता हूँ, मैंने एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम को पढ़ा था. So उन्होंने एक बहुत अच्छी बात कही थी, that information is everywhere. Information is everywhere, but we are lacking in knowledge and skill.
Correct sir.
ये चीज हमें दिखाई दे रही है. हमें इंटरनेट है, यूट्यूब है, गूगल है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन इसको एग्जीक्यूशन करने का तरीका हमें नहीं मालूम. सो बहुत खुशी हुई मैडम आपका सेशन बैठ के. तो होप सो आई विश further more sessions I'm going to attend if you're delivering it. Thank you.
Sure,
Thank you
sir.
for giving me an opportunity to give a feedback. Thank you.
Hello.
Ji, sir.
Last one feedback from Divya Pandey ma'am. Divya Pandey ma'am, please unmute yourself and give your valuable feedback.
Hello everyone. Good evening to all.
Yes,
Am I
ma'am. You are
audible?
audible.
Please, ma'am, come on camera. Unmute your camera. Sorry, open your camera.
Ma'am, actually I am on the way.
Okay. No problem.
Ma'am, I have attended your session from starting till end. Really, matlab, this session is really compliment worthy. I don't have enough words to say about this session, but this session is really very great. And if we are talking about the questions of the participants, that answer you have told, really that answer was very satisfactory. अगर हम बात करें मैम आपके एक्सप्लेनेशन की, जो आप स्टार्टिंग में जब आपने बताया कि वो गुलजार की कोट से स्टार्ट किया कि लाइफ हमारी छोटी नहीं है, हम उसको लेट से जीना ही स्टार्ट करते हैं. दैट वाज रियली वेरी मैथमेटाइजिंग. रियली आपके एक्सप्लेनेशन के जो तरीके हैं, उसमें जो एग्जांपल्स आपने पुट अप किया, वो एग्जांपल रियली मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोग को अंदर से वो सेटिस्फाई किया. जो भी हम लोग की क्वेरी थी, सारे क्वेरीज सॉल्व हुई आपके सारे एक्सप्लेनेशन से. उन सारे एक्सप्लेनेशन और मतलब पूरे सेशन की हम क्या ही बात करें, हमें मेरे पास शब्द भी कम पड़ गए सबको एक्सप्लेन करने. थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Everyone wants to ask question and as well as ready for the live feedback. I would like to ask one student participant to give her feedback. Mauli Paul, please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon and good afternoon, brother. I am from Dolphin PG Institute of Biomedical and Natural Science, Dehradun. And from my childhood, since from nursery and continue up to BSc, I am the topper of the class, and I always go first in the class. And after the lunch break, we all notice that me and only the class faculty will leave. And when ma'am tell this thing, I correlate that. And ma'am एक बात बोली है कि एक ने पूछा था ना कंसंट्रेशन मैं अपना थोड़ा बोलना चाहती हूँ. कंसंट्रेशन जो है ना उसके साथ हैबिचुएट होना होगा. एंड जो थिंक है, जो हम जानना चाह रहे हैं, कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं ना बच्चे, हम स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं ना, कुछ पढ़ते हैं तो सोचते हैं अरे बुक्स में इतना पढ़ना लिखा है, हमको इतना पढ़ना नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं पढ़ना है. हमको क्या जानना है, टॉपिक का नाम क्या है, तो उसको जानने के लिए हमको इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करना है. हम 5 पन्ना पढ़ रहे हैं ये मैटर नहीं करता, अगर 5 लाइन पढ़ रहे हैं वो लाइन हम लोग समझ रहे हैं या नहीं. मीन्स ये जो लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ तब से मैंने कई वेबिनार अटेंड किया है, पर मैंने एक चीज नोटिस किया है कि प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट के कुछ देर बाद से पार्टिसिपेट्स का स्टार्ट हो जाता है फीडबैक लिंक. अगर उनको पूछा जाए ना कि हाँ कि सेशंस में क्या हुआ, वो बता नहीं पाएंगे, लेकिन उनको फीडबैक देना है. प्रोग्राम खत्म नहीं हुआ, फीडबैक देना है. फीडबैक असल में नहीं देना, उनको सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए. असल बात, अगर फीडबैक ओनली होता ना, उसके साथ सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आता तो कोई फीडबैक नहीं भरता. मैम मेन बात यही है.
It's okay. We can. Every person is different, and we have to salute them.
Hello.
ये मैं एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर रही हूँ.
हेलो मौली जी, प्रोग्राम ओवर हो चुका है, सारों के थोड़ी इंतजार करेंगे फीडबैक के लिए.
Live feedback session is over, sir. Nairi sir, over to you. Over to you.
Mauli's insulting other participants also.
Now the participants are from all over India, from Jammu Kashmir to the Kerala. So very good responses there. and Zoom limit is our 100 only, and the Zoom limit is crossed now. 100 participants as well as the YouTube live. Lot of participants there. So for the next session, I request to Professor Dr. Vinod Sonone, please have a vote of thanks. Did you hear me? Sonone sir. Sonone sir, did you hear me? Dr. Vinod Sonone sir. Please perform vote of thanks. The last program.
Hold on, sir. Hold on, sir.
Yeah. Mahale sir.
Sonone sir. Can you hear us? Sonone sir. I think there is problem with connection.
Oh, can I proceed, sir? Then.
Yes, sir. You must.
Okay. Yeah. I am very much thankful to our President, Honorable Vijay Patil Sahib, Sanjeevan Gramin Vidyakena and Samajik Sahayata Pratishthan, as well as Chairman of the college, who has arranged this national webinar. Then I am also very much thankful to our principal, Dr. H.M. Pednekar sir. Apart from the very pandemic situation to him, he has present not only for the first session, but throughout the program he has present. So I am very much thankful to Dr. H.M. Pednekar sir. Then I am very much thankful to Dr. Chetana Patil madam, the secretary of Sanjeevan Gramin Vidyakena and Samajik Sahayata Pratishthan. Always she is giving helping hand to us. Then I am very much thankful to the organizers, Department of Geography as well as the History Department, Dr. Vinod Sonone sir. Then the technical session handling team, Mahale sir, Namdev Mahale sir, as well as Ingole sir. I am very much thankful to you. I am very much thankful to all the staff of the SES college, teaching staff as well as the non-teaching staff for their help to this webinar. I am very much thankful to Madam Hazare Madam. Just she came over here and just guide to us, all of us. Then, not but least, I am very much thankful to all the participants who have present throughout the program. Means they could not leave the program in between. So I'm most thankful to all the participants. And with the prior permission to our principal sir, just I hereby declare that today's webinar is over. Thank you so much. Now the feedback link will be shared to you in the chat box as well as in the WhatsApp group also. Fill up the feedback form and you will get the certificate. Thank you. Over to you, Mahale sir.
Okay, sir. The meeting is
over.
Over.
Okay, sir. Okay.